I was about to lift the car on jacks and this is what happened. This is the official jack stand. So I thought it would be okay to put the jack stand right about there, but it was too much. So maybe we put the jack stands under the rails. Maybe it will hold. We'll see. I managed to get the car on the jack stands and I already removed the rear wheels because the rear brakes are the next issue. The car does not have brakes because the owner said that he didn't put the brake fluid in because the rear brakes are yet to be done. But he says that the front brakes are done. So it seems that there are completely new brake discs. So I'm not worried about the front brakes, at least yet. I don't think these look too bad. New Air, made in Italy. The company is in Italy. This is probably made in Singapore. 26 languages. So how do I get it out from the box? I'm not gonna lift it, it weighs about 60 kilos. I could, but I won't. I just put them on by hand. The next owner can drive on this. just wanted to feel the power between my legs.